Hello, welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. I'm Geoff Phillips, and in this video I'll be showing you how to construct the centroid of a triangle. So let's start with the bezier pen tool and draw our triangle. Just by clicking, try to avoid clicking and dragging, and close the shape. I'll give that a yellow fill. Now the centroid is formed by joining vertices to the opposite side's midpoint. Now I'm going to use a traditional compass method to find those midpoints, so I'll click on the circle tool and Control Shift to draw a circle from the inside out, and I'm going to drag that so that its radius is more than half of the longest side of the triangle. I'll give that a green fill. Under the fill tab, fill and stroke, Control Shift F, bring up that dialog, or this icon here. I'm going to drop the alpha channel down to about that much so I can see through it. I'm going to now select the circle with the select tool and Control D to duplicate and drag my copy across here. Excuse me. Now just check that you've got the snapping tools on the same as I have. Snap to intersections, snap to cusp nodes, and snap to object centres. I'm going to drag this circle roughly by its centre until it snaps down there. Do the same with the other side and the other circle. And you can see I've got a pair of crossed arcs. If I join those, that will bisect this side. So I'll use the bezier pen tool to do that. Click on an intersection, click on the other one, and enter. And now I'll move the circle, one of the circles, round to another vertex and join another pair of crossed arcs using the bezier pen tool. So if I click there and enter, there's another line. Now I'm going to drag the first circle over to here and join that pair of crossed arcs from here to here and enter. Now I can be done with those circles. I'll just click on each one and press delete on the keyboard, and these lines bisect each side. Now I don't want this point here, which I think represents the ortho centre, but what I do want is the midpoint only joined to this vertex, but I should be able to do that just using the bezier pen tool. If I click there, yes, on the intersection, and then there, it'll clip to the cusp node and enter. Over here, this vertex, and I might just Control zoom in, and it's this intersection here I want on the side, and enter. Now we're going to zoom out again, and finally this corner and that intersection, and enter. Now I can delete those midpoint lines, segments, click on them and delete, and you can see the 3 points, the midpoint to each vertex, they all join concurrently or meet concurrently at the centre of the triangle, and that indeed is the centroid. If you wish to mark that with a small dot, you'd use the circle tool, click there, Control Shift to draw a uniform circle. It's a bit hard at snapping. I'll take the stroke off by shift clicking the red cross, give it a black fill, and there it is, probably a bit large, so I'll Control mouse wheel to zoom in, select tool, and Control Shift just to shrink it down a bit, then Control mouse wheel to zoom out, and there is a centroid marked with a black dot. Once again, thanks for watching.